Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out the snowflakes effect and how to add to your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, you're just going to select videos that you like to edit, and you can also add just images. Alright, so go to Effect and you can find the snowflakes and Christmas video effect. And then you can scroll down, and here's the snowflakes effect. And this is Pro effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So add to the track, and then you can change for the duration, just for the duration, and adjust for the option right here. That's blur, color, filters, strength, mounts, and etc. And you can see for the pointers like this. So that's how you can add the snowflakes effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.